How much should you actually spend on an air compressor for your home garage? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but others return the expensive options. It's a bit interesting, isn't it? Product number 1: DEWALT Pancake Air Compressor. Let's kick things off with the DEWALT Pancake Air Compressor, priced at $204.99. This caught my eye with its solid build and impressive specs. If you're looking for reliable performance in a portable air compressor, this is worth a serious look. At 2.6 CFM at 90 psi, it ensures quick recovery, meaning less downtime. Plus, the oil-free pump means you can forget the maintenance hassles. And with a noise level of just 78.5 dBA, you can work without waking the whole neighborhood. Now, some people complained about its weight, saying it can be a bit heavy to carry. Here's the thing though, at 30 pounds it's still pretty manageable, especially for a compressor with this much power. If you're doing serious work in your garage, the weight is a minor inconvenience for what you gain. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable compressor for regular garage use. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight. For the price, it offers great value for the performance. Now, if the weight of the DEWALT bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: DEWALT Tire Inflator. Next up is the DEWALT Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, retailing for $130.11. I was impressed by its versatility and compact design. If you need a reliable inflator that fits in your car and garage, this one deserves your attention. The automatic shutoff feature prevents overinflation, which is a huge relief when you're in a hurry. It also comes with an LED light, handy for those late-night emergencies. With a 4.6-star rating and nearly 18,000 reviews, it's clear people trust this brand. However, some users mentioned that it could struggle with larger tires. But honestly, for the price and its intended use as a portable inflator, this isn't a deal-breaker. Just know it's best for cars and smaller inflatables. This is perfect for you if you want something compact and multifunctional. Skip this one if you need to inflate large truck tires regularly. For $130, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want extra accessories. Product number 3: Bostitch Pancake Air Compressor. The Bostitch 6-gallon pancake air compressor comes in at $199.99, and let me tell you, the 13-piece accessory kit is what caught my eye. If you're just starting out and want everything in one package, this is worth checking out. The included 13-piece kit covers everything from hoses to blow guns, making it super versatile for various tasks. With a solid 4.7-star rating and nearly 2,000 reviews, it's definitely a favorite among DIYers. That said, some users pointed out that the compressor can be a bit noisy. Look, if you're sensitive to sound, this might be a concern. But for most garage setups, the performance outweighs the noise, especially if you're working with power tools. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive starter kit. Skip this if you already have tools and just need the compressor. At this price, it's a smart option. Now, if the noise level of the Bostitch bothers you, the next one might just surprise you with its quiet operation. Product number 4: CARSUN AC/DC Tire Inflator. Coming in at just $34.99, the CARSUN AC/DC Tire Inflator offers exceptional value. I was genuinely surprised by its features given the price. If you need something affordable yet functional for occasional use, this is a solid choice. This little compressor is powered by both AC and DC, making it incredibly versatile for home or roadside emergencies. The digital display and auto shutoff feature make it user-friendly, plus it comes with additional adapters for various inflatables. With a 4.3-star rating from over 2,300 reviews, it's a popular pick. However, some users mentioned it isn't suitable for larger vehicles like trucks. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for a basic inflator for your car or bike, this is more than adequate and a fantastic budget option. This is perfect for you if you want an inexpensive, portable solution. Skip this if you need something heavy-duty. It's a steal at this price. Now, if you're after a more powerful option, the next one on my list delivers just that. Product number 5, Metaba HPT Air Compressor. Finally, we have the Metaba HPT Air Compressor priced at $219. This compressor really caught my attention with its power. If you're looking for something that can handle heavy-duty tasks without breaking a sweat, check this out. With a max pressure of 200 psi and 4 CFM at 90 psi, it's designed for serious work, allowing you to run multiple nailers simultaneously. It's lightweight at only 41 pounds, which makes it easy to transport without sacrificing power. This model also has a 4.5-star rating from about 1,400 reviews, showing it's well regarded in the community. Now, a few users have mentioned that it could be too powerful for smaller jobs. But honestly, if you're doing heavy-duty work regularly, that power is a massive plus. This compressor is built to keep up with serious demands. This is perfect for you if you need high performance for various pneumatic tools. Skip this if you only need a compressor for light tasks. It's a worthy investment for serious DIY enthusiasts. To wrap it all up, we've covered the DEWALT pancake for reliability, DEWALT tire inflator for portability, Bostitch for an all-in-one kit, CARSUN for budget-friendly solutions, and Metaba HPT for heavy-duty tasks. Each has its strengths depending on what you need for your garage. Choose wisely.